How's it living on your own?
Gnarly. I don't know.
How do you feed yourself?
When I feed myself, I go to a restaurant, I have food coins.
Stars on a tailgate. Mama's cooking every church on a Sunday.
We just saw antelope and what's that? Bison. Wow.
Well, this thing hits wherever you call home.
Hey guys, it's me, Miranda. I'm looking at the bison.
Something that you find only down in old dirt road. It's in the lights of New York, the hills of LA. Everybody got their own honky-tonk way. Down to Carolina and up to Idaho. They all want some porch swinging, picking on that banjo. They like to dance to the songs we're singing. Can't get enough of the whiskey we're drinking. All want a piece of that homegrown feeling. It ain't just here or there, I see country everywhere. It's in the lights of New York.